Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. Today we're making Kaluha Pork
Hawaiian lunch plates. Hawaiian lunch plate just means it comes with 2 scoops of rice and a macaroni salad.
Check it out. Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. I'm making some Kaluha pork in the kitchen. We don't need to kill an entire pig and put it in the ground. I have a simple, easy hack. So first of all, what is Kaluha pork? Kaluha pork is a traditional Hawaiian dish where pork, often a whole pig, but a shoulder roast is more common for home cooking, is slow cooked in an underground oven called an imu. The pork is typically rubbed with Hawaiian sea salt before cooking, resulting in a tender, fall-apart texture with a rich, smoky flavor. A whole pig is salted and wrapped in banana leaves or tea leaves before being placed in an underground oven filled with hot stones and heated wood. The pig is covered with earth and left to cook for hours, resulting in incredibly tender, fall-apart meat. Okay, so I'm going to just do a quick hack. I'm going to use my smoker and slow cooker. If you don't have a smoker, you can use liquid smoke in the slow cooker. But this is super easy, and we're going to have super tender Hawaiian pulled pork. First up, I'm going to show you the drink I made. This is called a Painkiller. I'm just going to put the ingredients up on the screen there. So 2 ounces of dark or navy rum, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, 1 ounce of cream of coconut, pineapple wedge for garnish, and grate nutmeg over the top. So it says the Painkiller recipe consists of a delicious mix of rum, fruit juices, and coconut cream. It can be thought of as the hair of the dog drink, but we'll leave that up to you to decide. Fun trivia: the Painkiller was created at the Soggy Dollar Bar in the British Virgin Islands in the 1970s. The bar got its name because with no dock, patrons had to swim ashore, getting their money and belongings wet. This cocktail typically calls for Navy-style rum, which is high proof and often a blend of rums from multiple Caribbean islands. The style was developed when the British Royal Navy patrolled the seas and sailors were allowed to a daily rum ration. And that is a Painkiller. Now I'm going to show you how I made my Kaluha pork.
Alright, so we got a bone-in pork shoulder. It's called a pork shoulder picnic roast. Main thing is we got bone in, and we're going to need a little bit of fat too. I'm going to put this under the broiler. It's sort of crisp up the skin and get a little bark. Then I'm going to put it in the smoker. We're going to smoke it in applewood for 2 or 3 hours. And then I'm going to wrap it in plantain leaves. Usually in Hawaii, they use tea leaves, spelled T-I leaves. I can't find any of that in Canada. I couldn't even find banana leaves, which would be the obvious substitute, but I think the plantain leaves are a pretty close third choice. So I'm just gonna get this. I think I'll score the fat a little bit, and then heavily salt it, and then we'll get it under the broiler. Found a little paring knife, so I'm just gonna give it some pokes. That'll let the fat render out. It's probably best to have it fat side up so the fat renders down into the meat. I'll do that in the broiler and the smoker at least. Alright, and I'll give it a good dose of salt. If you have Hawaiian sea salt, that is traditional for the Kaluha pork. Okay, I think the salt will help draw out the fat too. All right. And I'm not going to put this in the broiler that long. I just want to get a little color on it. A little caramelization and get the fat going, get the fat rendering going. Okay, so I got the broilers, so that's the top one, and I got it cranked up. All right. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't start smoking or burning. All right, I got some applewood. It's one of my most favorite fruit woods to smoke with. We're just using it in my Bradley smoker. You just load the pucks up. Here, I'll show you. So I got, that's all applewood. It's about, I think it works out to about 20 minutes a puck. And I fired this up about 15 minutes ago. So I got lots of smoke. All right, I'm thinking 2 or 3 hours smoked in applewood.
All right, I got my banana leaves. And again, if you don't have a smoker, this liquid smoke works just fine. You just put it in before you wrap it. And also before we wrap it, we're just gonna aggressively salt it. Now, of course, Hawaiian sea salt is the best. Alright, we're just gonna wrap it up. Sorry, these are plantain leaves. Traditionally, it's tea leaves, spelled T-I. Banana leaves is also a great substitute. All right, just gonna get in a slow cooker. And chicken stock is optional. We're gonna put lots of chicken stock in there. Apparently you can do it with no stock. Every time I've done it with stock though, so. Okay, and we're gonna slow cook this baby for a good 8 to 12 hours. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says nobody moves, nobody gets hurt. If you don't get out of your sun chair, she won't bite you. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.